Hey, it's Gina at WTI. Isn't this necklace absolutely gorgeous? I got this from DYUNQ and it is simply stunning. This comes with 4 bezel set moissanite stones. Moissanite stones have a higher refractive index than diamonds. And now when I look at a diamond, I'm kind of disappointed. They just don't sparkle and shine like a moissanite does. I absolutely love how dainty this necklace is, but what a showstopper it is. This is lariat style and it has that wide drop in the front with the 3 stones on top and then the 1 carat stone at the bottom. The necklace is made out of sterling silver and it hasn't bothered my skin at all. I love that the necklace can be from 16 to 20 inches, so depending on your neck size, you can get it to lay exactly the way that you want. I also like that the wide drop in the front actually moves, so that means it'll always be right in center regardless of what length you decide to put the necklace at. This necklace also comes with a certificate of authenticity and it's beautifully packaged, so it would make a perfect gift for someone. I truly get endless compliments on this necklace. I think you should get it for yourself or as a gift for someone else. Anyone would be delighted to get it, and that's my point of view.